Tapos.
Okay.
Okay, continuation. Kasi nag-full yung aking iPhone storage. Okay, so ito, VI, your V sub I as your longest side, so hypotenuse. So you have your V sub I and then V sub IY and V sub IX. If this is your angle, 30 degrees. Kasi ito yun, no, you throw a ball with a 30 degrees angle. So ganyan ang path niya. Now, the V sub I, yung initial velocity that you're going to give to the ball with the angle 30 degrees. Syempre, meron siyang angle. Ang goal dito is to look for your V sub IY and VIX. Now, why do you need to solve for VIY and VIX? Because you're going to need this in solving for the next unknown quantities. So, ang unang gagawin ninyo, the first thing that you need to do when you deal with the projectile launch at an angle, do not forget this, that you have to solve for V sub IY and V sub IX. Laging yan ang uunahin ninyo. Whether you solve for D sub IY, DY, or other quantities, you have to start with your V sub IY and V sub IX. And you can only do that if you identify which one is your opposite and adjacent. Kasi ito yun, tatlong sides yan, okay? So yung V sub I mo, mag-drawing ka ngayon ng right triangle. Right triangle. Okay? Out of your VI. Ang V sub I will be your hypotenuse. Ang dalawang sides na unknown ay whether either opposite or adjacent sides. Okay, so alin dyan ang adjacent and opposite? Okay, so magdodrawing ka ngayon ng dalawang side. Make your V sub I your hypotenuse. And then your V sub IX, ano yung V sub IX? That is your horizontal. And vertical is your V sub IY. Now, these two make up your V sub I. Ito yung dalawang components. Itong dalawang ito, when you combine these two, it will make your it will make up your V sub I. Combinations, V sub I is a combination of VIX and VIY. Now, which one is your adjacent and opposite? By the way, why do you need to solve for VIX and VIY? Remember that V sub I is a combination of X and Y. Meron siyang X component and Y component. And you also remember that X and Y are independent from one another. So yung Y walang pakialam sa X, yung X walang pakialam sa Y. So kinakailangan paghiwalayin mo yung X, lahat ng X and lahat ng Y. And by doing this, V sub I, using your SOHCAHTOA, your trigonometric function, you will be able to solve for VIY and VIX. Kaya ihiwalay mo yung X, ihiwalay mo yung Y. Kaya natin ihiwalay itong VI. Meron siyang X and Y eh. So ihiwalay mo yung X, ihiwalay mo yung Y. Okay? Now, how to solve for VIY? Alamin mo muna, alin dyan ang adjacent at opposite. Hypotenuse is always your V sub I. Laging hypotenuse yan. Yung initial velocity given is always your hypotenuse. Now, what is your opposite side? The opposite side, if this is your angle, the opposite side is the one that is facing your angle. And then the adjacent side is the one that is nearest to your angle, except for V sub I. Okay? Alin dito sa dalawang ito? Itong VIX, what is this VIX? What side is this? Is this adjacent or opposite? V sub IX is nearest to your angle. Adjacent means katabi. So what side is nearest to your 30 degrees angle? What side is nearest to your angle which is adjacent to it? That is your V sub IX. So this one is your adjacent side. Which one is your opposite side? The one that is facing your angle, that is your V sub IY. Now, after knowing your adjacent and opposite sides, you are now ready to substitute the quantity to your trigonometric function. Now, anong gagamitin mo pag isosolve yung VIY? Most of the time, ang ginagamit sa V sub IY, since V sub IY is opposite side of your angle 30 degrees, hanap ka